Hi, I'm David Parnes with the agency, and this is 340 North Cliffwood Avenue in the heart of Brentwood Park. The house is about 9,000 square feet, has 7 bedrooms, 10 bathrooms, and the architecture, amazing. Let's check it out. As you walk into this masterpiece, you are greeted with a huge double-height ceiling with incredible volume, tons of natural light that just flood onto these hand-poured terrazzo floors, which I actually love. A formal living room to your right-hand side with a very cozy fireplace, and if that's not enough, you have another formal living room right next to it. And what I love about this house is just the open plan flow of it. But let's head over to the kitchen. That's where everyone loves to be. Well, I do anyway, partly because my wife's a great cook. There are kitchens and there are kitchens. And this is a kitchen. I mean, you are completely surrounded by white oak cabinetry, floor to ceiling. You have a double island wrapped in beautiful white quartz. I wouldn't want to cook anywhere else. We can't continue this tour without heading outside, because that's what it's all about. We have the most incredible indoor-outdoor flow, 2 huge seating areas, perfect for alfresco dining, barbecue, hot plate. We're surrounded by water features, swimming pool, fountains, and complete privacy. I mean, we are enclosed with the most beautiful landscaping. But let's head downstairs where the real fun begins. Downstairs is all about moments, from the whole beautiful seating area to the outdoor nook where you can enjoy a cigar, to the high top tables, a game of pool, and if you're really hungover and you've really partied hard, head over to the gym and push some weight. And when you're really done, head over to the cinema with a huge projection screen, surround sound, tiered seating, candy bar. I mean, you'll never go to the movies again. That I guarantee you. This is not a master bedroom. This is a master wing. Right now I'm sitting in the beautiful living area. You could enjoy a book, a glass of wine. This beautiful marble fireplace doubles up as an accent wall for the master bedroom, which gets tons of natural light because of the floor to ceiling windows. Now, if I was going to sleep in that bed every night, I'd be a very happy man. But if you really want to talk happiness, the bathroom is where it's at. For those of you who like going to the spa, you're going to feel right at home here with your freestanding soaking tub, glam area, and a closet which is going to rival any store on Rodeo Drive with its own island, floor-to-ceiling custom cabinetry, and tons of natural light and beautiful details throughout. And if that's not enough, you have another bathroom, another closet, and an incredible rain shower where you can meet in the middle. Thank you so much for joining me today in this exquisite house. I hope you enjoyed walking around as much as I did. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?